a variety of opportunities for career advancement and fulfillment. Being involved with a company that touches so many aspects of civil engineering presents a lot of unique challenges, but a lot of unique opportunities as well.
It's a big enough company that there's room and opportunity to develop and grow in your career, but small enough that you can have relationships across the organization and at all levels.
It has taught me more confidence in myself, very little confidence when I started working in my career, and as they've really given me the opportunity to grow here.
They're very confident in your abilities, and they're very trusting in your knowledge, and they are happy to give you more if you can take on more, and they're happy to scale back if you feel like you have too much. So I've definitely taken on more responsibilities since I've started.
Where you can really feel like you're making a difference on a day-to-day impact. You know, you work with all leaders of the organization as well as many other departments within the organization, and the things that you're doing on a daily basis really make an impact on the overall strength of the company.
The training is really one-on-one, on-the-job training. There isn't a formal training, which is nice because it allows us the ability to make changes to the best practices as we see fit.
I've been at companies before where there's a week where you're literally sitting at a computer and watching training programs, and they're so boring and it's so hard to stay awake. My training here, you know, I hadn't done a physical inventory before, and my training for that was literally getting on a plane and going to one with another cost accountant.
It's safe to say that it is absolutely by far the best in the business of any competitors that we have out there. We don't shortchange that. We train our people very, very well and prepare them, and then continue to train throughout their entire career here.
Last year, a group of us went to a horse camp called Camp Kearns, local in Ohio, and we were able to go in and refurbish some of the barn areas. So I think we had a great time while we were there. We got to go on a horse trail ride afterwards, and so we got to have fun, and I think that Camp Kearns really appreciated our work there as well.
I've participated in Earth Month projects where we have created a community garden and helped out with cleaning and repairing items in community parks.
We're really involved with the Earth Month group around the neighborhood. If you go to the library across the street, you can see the garden that we're involved with, and we work on local schools in our community, ones that my children will be attending, so I can see the footprint that Contech has throughout the community.
The uniqueness of the company. With respect to civil engineering, it's one of the only companies I think in the country that offers all the things that it has, and I think that really draws me in and keeps me motivated, keeps me entertained in my job.
One day I'd be in the field working in jeans and work boots alongside of a contractor, teaching him how to install a steel plate bridge. The next day I was in front of a room full of engineers in a coat and tie, presenting on the technical aspects of our products. Gave me an opportunity to stretch my skills in a lot of different ways.
From my standpoint, having that kind of diversity and variety is really what a challenging career should all be about.